village. Na video na on Siam to the 1st October 2021. Na video na on Siam. Today the 1st October 2021. Where they take place so under the souvenir of the Ambazonian Defense Force, the ADF, Commander Ambola, the Supreme General Big Number. Na vit see what on Siam. The one they happen so inside. You know they be easy. This one of a program with the world say La Republic not get a part for play for inside Ambazonia. Today the 1st October 2021. Na very say when I got he one get power. Na finish the war more na see what they happen inside our country. When I got he one get power. Today the 1st October 2021. The one they take place so the commander under General Big Number, Commander Ambola. When I visit on the eye when I see him, it not be easy. When I got you one get power today, the 1st October 2021. When I tell on the eye when I see what they happen in Ambazonia, when I see him, the war me the war see him. Not La Republic not get a place for inside Ambazonia. When I visit him, when I visit our media, when I see what they happen inside our country, Ambazonia. The war when I see him, when I hear our cry, when I see what they happen today, the 1st October 2021 of the commander of Tali, Commander Ambola, the Supreme General Big Number. It not be easy, but na God you want get power. Na fire siam, it not be easy, but na God you want get power. Na tell na I wanna siam, na God you want get power of. I wanna siam. Wow, Ambazonia. Wanna tell na I wanna siam. It not be easy, but na God. Na siam, it not be easy, Ambazonia. It not really be easy. Muna fight. For una freedom, una fight, una show the world, see what mommy, today the 1st October 2020, una see am, our mommy, they una see what is happening for inside. Supreme Commander General Big Number, it not really be easy, but na God, una tell una eye, una see what is happening, una tell una eye, una see am, it not really be easy, na road be easy, it not really be easy, but na God, na really see am, it not really be easy. But na God, today the 1st October 2021, it not really be easy for inside our country, Ambazonia. It not really be easy, but na God, he want get power. The commander of Tali, Commander Ambola, the Supreme General Big Number, aka General Efang. It not really be easy. Play of the Kupele village under General Pastor of Kupele, the Supreme General Commander Ambola. Very be easy, but nobody want get power. Vito na una Siam the 1st October. Vito na una Siam, it not be easy. It not be easy. Na Siam na the commander of Talidat, Commander Ambola na Edis, na the commander of Tali. Na Siam na the commander that Commander Ambola of Tali village. Na Siam na the commander that Commander Ambola. Na Siam na the Supreme General that General Big Number of Tali village. It not be easy. But na God you want get power na visiam, no be easy. But na God you want get power, no be easy. But na God you want to show the world. Me the world no say no get place for me. The world no say La Republic no get place for inside our country, Ambazonia. No be easy, but na God.
When they come down, I will take them.
Okay. Riboy, mano. Okay. Yes. Yes.
Visiam, the 1st October 2021 of Kupele village. Na very see on I wanna see population inside Kupele village. Avisiam the Chief Judge of Kepele Barak. Not be easy, but I go today, the 1st October 2021, for inside Kepele Village. Navito na Aruna Siam for inside Kepele Village. Not be easy. Now the Chief Judge for inside. Now the Chief Judge for inside Kepele Village. Avisiam, you are the take place for inside Kepele Village. Under Command Ambola of the Ambassador Defense Force, the AGF. Not be easy, but I got you one get power. Navito na Aruna Siam. Not be easy. 1st October 2021 take place under the canopy of the Commander of Tali, Commander Ambola, the Supreme General Big Number of the Ambassador Defense Force. Avito na Aruna Siam, it not be easy. 1st October 2021. Navito na Aruna Siam, it not be easy. But I go one get power of Tali. Where Commander Ambola plays the part. Not be no problem with the war. Now you today talk say until they reach Boya, they don't left their journey halfway. Me the war no say the so. Now but we no get the play inside our country Ambazonia. Not be easy, but I got. Not be easy, but I got. You want get power. Not be easy, but I got. Today, the 1st October 2021. This one, it takes place under the canopy of Commander Mbola, the Supreme General Big Number under the canopy of everything on Siam. Where it takes place under the canopy of Commander Mbola, the Supreme General Big Number of the Ambassador Defense Force of from the war say Ambazonia be a country on its own. La probably not get a place for inside Ambazonia. Na till na I wanna see am. Not be easy. La probably not get place for inside Ambazonia. They want to see like we not get the place inside our country Ambazonia. Where they take the commander of Tali, Commander Ambola, the Supreme Commander, Commander Big Number under Ambazonia Defense Force. Na God you want get power. Na thing na I na Siam. Very be today the 1st October 2021. Na rate na I na Siam. Not be easy. Me the work to the Aisha. Not be Aisha. Inside not be easy. Na God you want get power. You want to be inside the commander of Tali, Commander Ambola, the Supreme Commander, Commander Big Number with the Ambassador Defense Force, the ADF. And if you now I see it not really be easy, but like God, you want to get power inside Ambassador. They want to have the war. Say, like we don't get the Ambazonia inside our country. Not really be easy, but like God, you want to get power. Yes,
this is the 1st of October 2021 that the people of British Southern Cameroon today, self-declared independence people, Ambazonia, are fighting because the right of self-determination was refused by the United Nations, a mandated territory in 1919 and a trustship territory under United Nations in 1945 with the outcome of the United Nations. But under colonial maneuver, the United Nations make a decision out of the Trusteeship Council for them to be an integrated people under the Federal Republic of Nigeria or the Republic of Cameroon, people who got their independence. since 1960. And today, this is a struggle. There is a lot of bloodshed. People are dying. The world powers have stood afloat. The world powers are there looking at it, knowing that the colonial maneuver was a wrong decision. Even at that end, Chief Stephen Yancy of the Cameroon Commoners Convention asked for a tape auction for the people of British South Cameroon, which was refused upon the people. And today, the United Nations have been approved, the world powers have been approved, they are seeing people dying, people fighting for their right of self-determination. So we call upon the world, we call upon the United States to protect this independent instauration of the Ambazonian people. Thank you.
Oh, na please indeed.
To the 1st October 2021 at the commander of Tali, Commander Mbola, the commander of Tali village, Commander Mbola, the General Big Number of the Ambazo Defense Force, Navito on Ice Period, the 1st October 2021. Lore be easy when I got you one jet power. Vito on I want to see him. Lore be easy when I go to this commander of Tali village, Commander Mbola. Lore be easy when I got. Lore be easy. Lore be easy when I got. Lore be easy. Every time, one of the traditional dances to the 1st October 2021 of Tali Village. Now, Vito now on a Siam. You want to take play over Wednesday Tali Village. Vito now on a Siam. 1st October 2021. Wednesday Tali Village. And the culture dance inside. Now, we Siam. This one the people they call this one, they call this down, they call them. They call it down to Nyampu. The 1st October 2021. Commander Mbola, the Supreme General, Big Number. The 1st October 2021.